slide, we're going to look at the survey that the followers will be filling out to get the LPC score. And we're going to apply that to the four-quadrant situational leadership model after we understand it. So you look here, this is the least preferred coworker score, and you'll see that it ranges from a level of 1 through 8. And then you have 18 observations that are actually action verbs. So what you can derive out of this is understand that this is a subjective evaluation. But in leadership, everything is subjective because you're leading people. But if you notice that these verbs are actually the actions, if you will, from the leader, who is going to either be pleasant or unpleasant, friendly or unfriendly, and so forth, all the way down the list to whether or not they're kind or unkind. Now understand that this is an observation from the people that are being led. So a person would take this survey and they would add up the score here, and what you would find that if the score, after you circle 18 of the scales, if the score is 57 or less, then you who are evaluating this feel that the leader is more task oriented. Following that is if the score is 58 to 63, kind of a middle LPC, the person that is leading, you feel the person that is leading is socially independent leader, self-directed, not overly concerned with the tasks or with how others view them. And then finally, if it's 64 or above, called a high LPC, the person is motivated by relationships. So let's begin building the tridimensional leadership model by applying the 8 observations to the 4 quadrants of the situational leadership model in the next slide.